Red Teaming 101, Day 9 time lapse from HackTheBox. It's a default 80 bucks, and we are just has here SMB, Kerberos, and another default 80 ports. And let's get started with NXC. So one is the NetExec, SMB, and doing IP addresses. And let's look for what's going on here. So we can create here sublime text node.txt, and then we can save with our nodes from here. And we know it's running on DC01 and timelapse.htb. So that's fine. So right now we can add on our etc and host file. There we go. Gonna be starting here. So this one, the port we are working on actually, right? So it's out. Just need to go here, okay. And then it's gonna be work on domain timelapse.htp and dc01. That's fine. Let's save it and let's go. So maybe there's some share so which we can has access. So let's use it here dash shares. If you have here guest access, we were looking for something, right? So to maybe some shares we can share. So maybe it's gonna be shares for us. Therefore, can use TC01 and SMB client. So let's go in here null. So yeah, we are getting here something, and this is really look like different things. Is here TC01, right? So the here shares. So let's exec here. So maybe I'm gonna be fine here something different. Shares, go for, and then ending here just this one. Right, so that's look like it's okay. And last, and we'll grab here dev and help desk. So there's maybe some files. For example, we're trying to be accessed. So let's go first on dev part, and we got here winrm backup.zip. So when there's look like the backups from winrm, so maybe we are getting here some pvx file, password, or any others. So let's go help desk from here on the tier. There's some docs file, but it looks like it's just for labs. I don't think so it's gonna be important for right now. So let's exit here and giving our full focus on winrm back and zip. Okay, let me unzip it, and it's asking us the password. So if we have no password for it, so we can directly use your zip to John. So this is how it's actually used. Winrm backup.zip. There's going to be something wrong. Yeah, here. Okay. So it's giving us here to legacy dev authentication pvx, which is in it, and we can try to be and correct it if it's actually if it's possible. So here the hash they have to work, or directly we can do zip.john and winrm.hash. So cat hash, and we can see here same thing, we are just save it. So it's a great idea to be john winrm hash dash dash worthless and equal here user share worthless and txt. So it's gonna be cracked it directly for sure. Is it important to know I think how we created it? So let's save it also. So there's something wrong with my sublime text. So let's get it like that, and how to be created it and crack is looking like that. So that's fine. Let's unzip it directly. The password, which is supreme legacy, and we are getting here legacy dev authentication pvx. So this look like it's not possible to do legacy pvx, right? So this is not like what you are trying to be accessed. Now with the strings, we're getting here nothing. Maybe some the legacy timelapse.htp 0 for username or something, or from the password. But this is not gonna be great, right? Let's do it. Then we can also see pvx to John. I think, is it here? Yeah. So we can run it directly. The legacy, the authentication, and let's save it. So we can also use T, or again what we are using here, legacy and authentication hash. So now as a hash, it looks like crackable, right? So let me say, hey, we're just using it for creating our the hash. So let's just crack it. John legacy authentication hash dash dash wordless user share wordless rack.txt, which is great. Let's see if it's crackable. Okay, it's actually crackable, but we are just got here pfx to hash. So if you're trying to be running with pfx, so what does it mean and how it actually work? So the pfx file has I think it was 12. We can check on the internet. pfx format to p12, yeah, this one, which I'm actually talking about. We can checking about what does it mean pkcs12 and how decorating is something important. So to pkcs12 we can go and have the created k or something like that. So it's need to be something on the internet, but it's not the hard things. Actually, you can also asking ChatGPT is gonna be give you correct things. We just need to be here the k for login somewhere, right? Then I think we can use it here for the pfx file, which is here, to create the k, and which is encrypted. That one we can decrypt it again with OpenSSL thing here. The third we can log in as evilwin.rm. So that's all we have to be do. So let's do it. Gonna use here OpenSSL, and we are null. So this is gonna be running our pkcs 12 is over here, right? So it's actually talking about everything about pkcs. So gonna use it here pkcs is here 12 and dash in. So we're trying to get it from the pfx file. So there's no certs. I'm gonna add and dash out and legacy, the authentication, and the encrypted file. So gonna be asking here the password for sure. I'm gonna give you here the tag legacy, and gonna ask enter pam passfair, giving here same thing. For example, we can give or remove. Let me actually remove it. Let me show you again. Enter password. So I think it's okay if you're nothing giving either here or any random things. It's not important too much actually. Okay, so okay, OpenSSL, giving here same thing will be fine for not confusion for later. Okay, so gonna be adding here OpenSSL RSI dash in and legacy authentication, that encrypted file, and dash out as the k file. Legacy authentication dash k. It's not gonna be it's gonna be decrypted it. So we're giving here phrase, so which is tag legacy here, but it's not the password, right? So it's a different things we have to be know. There's another things how we are just decrypted it. So that's all. That's fine. So let's do it again. OpenSSL to pkcs. So I'm gonna use it again. Dash in again legacy authentication to pfx file. Using here CL certs and dash no case and dash out. I'm gonna be starting here. Legacy dev authentication CRT. So I'm gonna ask here the password again. I'm going this one. Okay, so that's all. However, just giving here the certification about the after PVX. All right. So the now all we have access here about ls-la. So can here legacy. So giving here this one. So we have cert hash. So we were just corrected. Encrypted file. We just decrypted and get here k with the PVX using, and we also have is here the CRT. So which means names here are things C. So just need to be go. It will win RM dash health. I'm gonna be show you how we can actually use it. So let's just say if we have the K, gonna be showing here. Where was it? Let me check again. Yeah. If you have private key or private key path, local path key certificate, then you can use dash key. Also, dash C is over here is a pub key and public key path. You can use also this one. So what for to be using this one is you have to be enable SSL. So that's what we have to be know about it. So let's use it. It will win RM dash I time lapse. So I don't know how to actually last etc and host file time lapse, right? I'm gonna use timelapse.htb dash s and dash key. I'm gonna giving here the k file dash c, and we just need to be giving here crt file, which is here. So then we'll be able to be get here on WinRM shell from it. I hope so. It's gonna work. So yeah, it's gonna work, and we are getting and grab WinRM shell as successfully. So let's check it here. Net users legacy is here. Say the name cloud net be fine. Say it's out. We're getting so C users. Let's go. Here, yeah, the legacy is here. Yeah, users legacy. All right, so we are in development part, by the way. So sometimes the people just to be unseen at development, but if you're in development, there's definitely using PowerShell or another things, right? So we have to be looking for someone else. So the K is like to Microsoft history, but also have to be have my all. Let's see if we're getting here something. No, does not look like possible. Okay. Have to be go here cd legacy thing. Yeah. I don't know why I'm not getting here. Dear. Oh, it's just typo. Okay, that's fine. And ls-ida, and let me show you. There's need to be app data. Is here. Go here, app data, and here. Just go for roaming. cd Microsoft Windows PowerShell. Here is going to be here piece red line. Gonna be here. So console history.txt. So why we just needed it? So it's because if you're in development, so it's need to be developed something here. So we are getting here get new position for someone and getting here give this password. So which is cool. We are getting it. So that's possible to be get on the shell, but we just need to be know the which user they're actually using here. So let's see. This is going on user, but you can check here, see users. Gonna be here to users here. So it's services deploy. That's fine. Exit, and it will win RM. So it will win RM dash I timelapse.htp -u services deploy for password. We're getting here this one. Okay. Oh, it's out. It's gonna be slow. It's out. So this maybe we have to be again enabled SSL. So it's need to be about it maybe. So does it need to be adding here -s? I don't know. Let's see. As maybe SSL enabled is the way. Gonna see. Yeah, it's look like work. So we're just need to be added here -s. All right. So gonna use it here. Who am I? Wall. Now let's see. This looks like nothing. Yeah, there's a lops readers we'll get. So let's verify it. Services deploy. Yeah, we are in lops readers. So if you're in the lops readers, I think we are saw there before. I'm gonna visit my linear algebra github.io date. Can go here. Categories needs to be somewhere lops. Yeah. So on a why we're trying to be get here the lops part, we were using here to lops and NTDS directly. I'm not sure if it's gonna be work here because there is some to SSL is maybe problem, but let's try. We're gonna be lose nothing here. Timelapse.htp. Yeah. Let's see. All right, so it's actually work. We get it. It's really great. By the way, the password of admin is this. So let's queue it. Also, you have to be changed with as administrator, by the way. Yeah, it's a work. That's great. I love it. So whilst there's working just with one command, well, where's here? It's here. So it's just working with just one command. That's great. So thank you for watching.